Hello everybody. So this you see is the entire Dubai map. This is the Palm Jumeirah area. This is the downtown area. This is the DXB airport. This is the Al Maktoum airport. And this is the Rashid Yachts and Marina area, which is a waterfront community by Emaar. Now, why is this area important? Because you see the entire coastline of Dubai is approximately 80 kilometers, and any property which is water facing or beach facing is always a premium property in any part of the world you go. The price per square feet in Palm Jumeirah is approximately 9,000 to 10,000 dirhams per square feet, whereas this you see Emaar beachfront, the prices have crossed 5,000 dirhams per square feet. And this area, Rashid Yachts and Marina, is the only area right now which is transacting at 2,500 to 2,700 dirhams per square feet. With all the apartments have a beautiful water view. Well, why is this a very good area for investment? Because this is the only community which is a premium waterfront community in entire this side of the town. This you see here is the Gold Souk, which is one of the business districts of Dubai, and also here you have Bar Dubai and Karama area. Generations of people have been living here, and there is no premium property available in this side of the town. So now this entire area is growing in Dubai. This is a maritime city. Here also a couple of standalone buildings are coming up, which has the beautiful water view. Rashid Yachts and Marina is a better option for investment because this entire community is by Emaar. So you are going to be part of a community which has different amenities, and a gated community. You will have lots of amenities, school, theater, cafes, restaurant, boulevard, walk, and lots of other amenities. You will have a swimming pool, longest swimming pool in Dubai in this area as well. Now this is again another waterfront community called Dera Islands, which is by Nakheel, and also standalone towers are coming in this community as well. But again, this is not going to be a gated community because a lot of other developers are also making apartments in this island B. Now this Rashid Yachts and Marina is just 10 minutes from Dubai International Airport, 20 minutes from downtown, and just 5 minutes from Gold Souk. You will have a private ferry as well here. You have a yacht club here. The residents who live here can park their yachts in this area. And of course, you will have a boulevard walk, school, retail, restaurants, and loads of other amenities in this area. So this is the entire master plan of Emaar. This is Rashid Yachts and Marina. This you see, or all the buildings here on the left hand side down, which are already launched and sold out. Now we have the launch here, which is Marina Views 1 and Marina Views 2. This is the Al Khalij Road. This is the Infinity Bridge that connects to the Al Khalij Road and to this area in just 5 minutes. This side, right hand side here is the airport, and this left hand side down is the downtown area. Now, why is this area important? Because, of course, this is the most economical waterfront area with the beautiful views of the yachts. So, if you have a private yacht as well, you can park your yacht here in this area. So, let me explain quickly what all will be there in this area. This you see will be the school, upcoming school. This is the Marina Promenade, where you will have retails, restaurants, cafes, and many more activities here. This you see is the theater. You will have an open air theater here. This 9 number, this 8 number where you can park your yachts here. The 6 number you will have the museum here. This is going to be 5 number is going to be the pedestrian bridge, and 4 number is going to be founder's home. So if founder is living in this area, then you can understand that the quality and the amenities are going to be at a different level. This 10 is going to be a ferry station where you can take the ferry and go all the way to this side of the town as well. And also you will have a beautiful canal pool here, which is 2 number, which is the longest canal pool of entire Dubai. So the prices are starting from only 2 million dirhams, and payment plan is 80/20. Call me if you need more information. This is the new launch at Rashid Yachts and Marina, which is Marina Place 2, Marina Place 1. All the other properties, this one is already launched, this one is already launched and is sold out on the day of the launch. We still have chance to own a property here in this lane where you will have the beautiful views of entire water. Behind this is Al Khalid Street, and this you see is the Infinity Bridge, which which was recently opened, and it's a 300 meters long bridge. And because of this bridge, the connectivity to this area has become very easy from Al Khalij Road. Now, these apartments are G plus 10. It has one bedroom, two bedroom, and three bedroom units. A beautiful podium level with all different kinds of amenities. And of course, all the apartments will have the beautiful views of the water. You can park your private yacht here as well. You will have the beautiful views of the yacht club at night time.